researchers, academicians, industry experts, and dear participants gathered here today. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to International Conference on Emerging ThermoNanoAI, Sustainable Future Energy Devices, ICE-TNAI 2025, scheduled from 29th to 31st December 2025, here at Koneru Lakshmaiah Education Foundation, Greenfields, Vaddeswaram, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
The international conference serves as a global platform that brings together experts from the diverse domains to share the knowledge, ideas, innovation focused on the sustainable energy solutions. Icetnai 2025 aims to promote interdisciplinary collaboration in the field of thermal system, nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, encouraging the development of smart, efficient, and future-ready energy devices that contribute to a sustainable world.
Before we proceed further, let us take a moment to understand the institution that is proudly hosting this prestigious conference. Koneru Lakshmaiah Education Foundation, KLEF, established in the year 1980 as KL College of Engineering. KLEF is known for its academic excellence, cutting-edge research, and innovation-driven ecosystem, supported by the state-of-art infrastructure and highly accomplished faculty with strong focus on holistic development, global exposure, and industrial collaboration. This institution continues to nurture future leaders and professionals.
The conference is organized by the Department of Integrated Research and Discovery, a truly multidisciplinary department that promotes the collaboration research across domains. The IRD department comprises over the 23 doctorate faculty members and more than 300 research-originated students actively engaging in research and development activities in collaboration with academics, industries, and governmental organizations. The department plays a vital role in addressing the real-world industries and society challenges through interdisciplinary research, industry-based projects, internships, workshops, and innovation-driven programs.
ICE-TNAI 2025 reflects the department's vision for fostering innovation, collaboration, and sustainability, creating a meaningful impact through advanced research and knowledge exchange.
To begin this auspicious gathering on the divine note and seek blessings from the successful conduct of the conference, we now like to invite all the rise for the prayer song.
Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim Mahadevasutam Guru Gohanutam Marakoti Prakasam Santam Mahatavyanatakadim Priyam Mushikavahana Modaka Priyam Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim.
To mark the beginning of this prestigious conference and to symbolize the dispelling of darkness by knowledge, we now proceed to lamp lighting ceremony. The lighting of Thank you, esteemed dignitaries, for gracing.
We now move on to one of the most significant conference in this time for the esteemed dignitaries to share their thoughts, insights, guidance with us. It's our privilege to invite Dr. Vishwanathan Seroy, Head of the Department, Integrated Research and Discovery, Koneru Educational Institute.
Good morning to one and all present here. Respected dignitaries of the day, Dr. Selvaraj sir, Dr. Radhakrishnan Delhi Babu sir, and Dr. Shankar sir. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome to our second international conference on Emerging ThermoNanoAI for Sustainable Future Energy Devices. So, the IRD department has been formed just 2 years before, and since our inception, we have been conducting this international conference with the new theme of development of sustainable devices and future. The IRD department was formed as to inculcate the research and development among the multidisciplinary domains. With this thought process, our department has handpicked professors from the department. We have published nearly around 15 papers in the Scopus and Web of Science journals. As the target of our students having three, the target is 3, but we have downgraded to 2 now to facilitate being the first batch the higher the order may be difficult. Thinking on that, we have reduced it, but the target we are going to achieve is 3, at least for 50 odd students. That is what we have given the target. So these conferences pave the way as the students to motivate and publish the research. I thank all my fellow mates and researchers who have extended support for achieving the targets. I also thank our guests for readily accepting and coming to our conference. And I thank also the participants without whom the success of the conference may not happen. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insights address.
It is a privilege to invite Dr. S. Shanmugan Garu, Convener and Deputy HOD of the Department, Integrated Research and Discovery, KLEF. We would now like to invite Dr. P. Selvaraju Garu, retired. We would now like to invite Dr. Vivekanandan Sir, Associate Professor of IRD, to the dais.
Okay. Very good morning to everyone present here, and good morning to all the dignitaries and the guests present on the stage. So it is my immense pleasure to introduce about the DST PERS program running at our KL University campus. So where the DST PERS program is one of the flagship program organized by, funded by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, who particularly sponsors on promoting and establishing the research infrastructure in the university and the institute campuses. So we are also happy to receive the DST PERS program in the year 2023. From the entire India, so only 13 institutes were awarded out of 170 applications which they have received. And we have received the total of the fund of 7 crore. And we have the team of 6 members headed by our Dean R&D, Dr. BTP Madhav. And I am one of the co-PI of the project that was implemented here. And the 4 crore of instrumentation facility has also been set up, and they are now under working condition in the R001 in our KLEF campus. So mostly we are working on promoting the multidisciplinary research, where we provide the instrumentation facility support to conduct the workshops, conferences, and guest lectures and seminars by bringing expert researchers throughout the world. So far through the PERS funding facility, so we have funded for 3 conferences. So the one being conducted by Professor Shanmugan in the last year, and one which was conducted through our IRD department this year in April, and the third one being the conference that we are at present here today. So still we are hoping to conduct many more conferences through the through the DST PERS facility, and also various outreach programs that we are conducting. So in this year, so we have planned to offer an internship program through the PERS program, where this semester we are going to offer for 6 students who are in the undergraduate and in the master's level. And in the next semester, we are going to offer 6 more internships for the undergraduate and master students who would be paid a minimum amount designated by the Department of Science and Technology. So the various outreach programs were also being conducted, where we would be visiting to the different government schools and university campus and the other state college and university campuses, where we are promoting the facilities and the focus of DST PERS. And also we have been inviting the students from remote locations and the rural villages to show about the research and infrastructures of what we are having and what the PERS facility is providing. So I also request all our students, the faculty members, and all to visit the DST PERS facility that we have established in R001 and make use of the facility for your research works. So particularly people who are working on material science, who mostly from physics, chemistry, electronics, who work on electronic materials, have this privilege to use that we have a rapid prototyping machine. So antenna testing anechoic chamber is available, the higher end one. Atomic force microscope with different modules are also available. DC and RF sputtering is also available in the campus, and a dedicated glow box and a spin coater where you can do with the inert atmosphere research of device fabrication like energy harvesters, including solar cells, can also be used. And we have a dedicated materials printer which was imported from Singapore, which is also been installed there. It's going under the trials, so soon from next month or next to next month it would be available. So I encourage you to go through the iSTEM portal given by the Department of Science and Technology. We also have the access of iSTEM. So through that you can do your registration and make use of the facility accessible to you. So I hope this facility will give you an exposure to the cutting edge research facility in multidisciplinary areas, and you can access for your research to do your high quality research purposes. So also through the project outcome, so we have established or upscaled the Center of Flexible Electronics, which is led by me, so which was upscaled into Center of Excellence in Flexible Electronics. And soon we are planning to promote one more research center into Center of Excellence through the PERS project support. So I wish everyone to make use of the facilities where we are providing through the PERS project in terms of the PERS facility center, and also antenna and liquid crystal laboratory in L block and Center for Flexible Electronics in the C block. So you can visit there and make use of the facility, and you can go for a multidisciplinary exposure where these laboratories are doing high quality research work, whereas outcome in terms of high quality funded projects and high impact journal articles. So I wish everyone all the best to use the multidisciplinary facility, and also the organizing committee of the conference, Professor Shanmugan, and the co-conveners, Dr. Venkatratnam and G.V. Ramana Reddy sir, and also the head of the department, Vishwanath Chennai sir and Neelu Singh ma'am, to provide me the opportunity to talk about the PERS facility, that what we are doing and how we are promoting the outreach activities through the PERS program. So thank you for your opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful thoughts about Icetnai 2025. Now, it's our privilege to invite Dr. S. Shanmugan, sir, Convener and Deputy HOD of the Department of Integrated Research and Discovery, KLEF.
So dear distinguished professors, researchers and delegates, so my dear students, so I am warm welcome to our international conference. So heartily good morning to here present. It is my pleasure inform to that based on Icetnai 2025. This meaning is why we can fix it based on current situation based on the Thermo Nano AI. Already you know based on the science concept, so any material or any particle one place to another place moving, if we want some temperature, the temperature is available, then only any moving the one place to another place. Otherwise we cannot. That's based on the science principle. We can use it the here heat and thermodynamics process. That process after then you can how you can improve nowadays. What purpose improve your application? Particularly this society, what need to you today? What do you want? That based on we can improve the nano. So that nano means you can see the meso structure to micro level. Some guys already achieved that. This based on the small advantage with the volubility and the sensibility, and you can improve the nano. That nano level you can go Armstrong level. How you can improve the based on the some neural network. That connectivity you can see the here artificial intelligence. This based on simple, I am telling to you as per the engineering, quantum technology, how you can improve. This is a simple way. That's called you can give the here science principle and engineering principle and technology adapted. That's why I given the short name Thermo Nano AI. This explanation you can do the very more than experience for our NIT, IIT and repeating higher international education systems and national international level. How you can growth of the our quantum based on the material science and computing. This based on we can improve the some interaction for the here. This held on 29 to 31st December 2025. This conference makes significant milestones in collective and practice, and we can see the based on the sustainable of intelligent and future ready. How we can improve the energy technologies. This technology, so we given the some about the conference aim of the conference. This objectives, so based on the to provide global platform from the researchers, academics and industrial expert to share the interactive and some ideas, and you can how improve the as per the academia advancement, how you can improve our research based on the thermo systems. That system how you can interact for the some material science based on the nanotechnology. This interact for the how you can neural network, how you can connect to this based on the you can genetic function. That function based on the CSC background. This background you can how interact for the multidisciplinary. You can improve the your society purpose using the application level. That level you can see the now one person not possibles. This all are you can see the here academia and industrial and national international collaborations. This based on you can improve. That improvement you can do the encourage and development smart and efficient energy device. That device you can improve the for some strong prototype. Then based on in between academia industry to how you can accelerate for the transformation, and you can do the towards cleaning renewable energy and intelligent. How we can new technology we can improve for the energy system. That based on suitable for the sustainable future level. That level you can see the here. I am dedicated to the share the Icetnai 2025 has received the overall of our response with the 417 abstracts, including 310 national submission from the leading institution across the India, and 107 based on the international submission repeating for the good more than 11 countries. And you can see the here based on this reflection to global and means to the next generation, how you can improve the sustainable device based on the science principle and engineering application. You can improve the Thermo Nano AI, that advanced nano materials. This is our conference based on the aim. This based on the how you can loop connectivity for the AI driven and the energy system to based on the your innovation types. This all are you can see the our provide for the collaborate with the 12 repeated Scopus Index and SEI Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 journals, offering authors excellent opportunities for the extended version for the publications. This collaboration further enhanced to academia impact and visibilities, high quality research present at this conference. These themes Icetnai 2025 ranging from energy conversion and storage, AI and quantum technologies, electrons and smart systems, to nanotechnology in biology, medicine and chemical sciences. How you can reflect for the interdisciplinary the spread how you can recur to the address for the future global energy challenges. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all participation keynote speakers and reviewers, then sponsors for their involvement and contributions to the success of these events. I wish each of you provide and improve your skilling. It is inspiring to enriching conference experience. Thank you and welcome once again to Icetnai AI 2025.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable address.
It's our privilege to invite Dr. K. Venkataratnan, co-convener Icetnai NAI 2025, Department of Integrated Research and Discovery.
Good morning, one and all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Professor Radhakrishnan, Dilli Babu sir, Selvaraju sir, Shankar sir, HOD sir, Vishwanath Shenoy sir, Neelu Singh madam, alternate HOD, convener and deputy HOD, Shanmugan sir, and other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, research scholars and students. Welcome. Once again, I am welcoming you to the international conference. So here, this is the international conference we are conducting in KLEF. In the IRD department, first time we are conducting, but we have received n number of papers, like what convener told, Shanmugan sir told. More than 400 papers we received, out of which we have selected few papers only, which the quality matters. Those papers only we have selected. And this conference is an international conference on emerging ThermoNanoAI for sustainable future energy devices, which is a conference. The keynote speakers came from Germany, and national keynote speakers from Chennai, they came. They are giving, they will give the valuable suggestions to us. Accordingly, we will take the suggestions and will be useful to the research community to publish the papers. Not only publishing the papers, it is this conference helps us to get the knowledge and motivation what they have faced earlier. Accordingly, in what way we have to do the good research to get the good publications. And it is keynote sessions, technical presentations, panel discussions, networking opportunities, everything will be useful to the 3 days. And KLEF, Koneru Lakshmaiah Education Foundation, is one of the wonderful place. We can use these 3 days to get the advantages of research communities. And finally, once again, on behalf of organizing committee, I extend my warm welcome to the all speakers, delegates, participants, research scholars, students. Once again, it will be helpful to you all for the academics as well as research. Thank you, one and all. Thanks for the opportunity giving to me from the Department of IRD. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Before inviting Dr. P. Selvaraju sir, I would like to invite G. Bharat Surya sir, Department of the Physics Research Scholar, to give intro about Dr. P. Selvaraju sir.
Thank you, Laslia, for inviting me. I am G. Bharat Surya, research scholar from the Department of Physics. I would like to invite Dr. P. Selvaraju sir. He is a highly respected academician and researcher retired from Anna University. He is currently serving as a professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering R&D, Dean, Advisory Member, Research and Development at Jerusalem College of Engineering. He is distinguished academician and accomplished researcher in the field of computer science and engineering with a specialized expertise in machine learning, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, enabled computing, and emerging intelligence systems. He has completed his BSc, MSc, ME in CSC, PhD in CSC under Anna University, where he is established a strong foundation in advanced computational technologies and interdisciplinary engineering research. With an illustration academic career spanning several decades, Dr. P. Selvaraju currently serving as a professor of CSE at Jerusalem College of Engineering, where he has made significant contribution to academic development, research, innovation, and institutional growth. His scholarly output is exceptional, and having published 423 research papers in reputed SCI, Scopus, indexed, and international journals. After this, reflecting his deep commitment of advancing global scientific knowledge, he holds 25 patents and has successfully secured 500 grants, demonstrating strong innovation, problem-solving capacity, and impactful research leadership. Dr. P. Selvaraju sir has also played a 45 lakh NBHM DAE JRF and 27 international foreign UK, USA, Australia, Egypt, Singapore, etc. like Vietnam, Qatar University, and also a teacher of under CEO of USA. After that, his academic reputation is further strengthened by his involvement as a reviewer and editorial board member for several reputed international journals, where he contributed to maintaining high specific scientific standards. Through his dedication, innovation, and scholarly excellence, Dr. P. Selvaraju continues to make remarkable contribution to academic research and global scientific community. With his vast academic experience, research expertise, and commitment to excellence, Dr. P. Selvaraju continues to play a vital role in shaping future engineers, researchers. His presence as a speaker adds immense value, offering insightful perspectives draw from both academic rigor and practical experience. Now we welcome you, sir, for sharing few words about our conference. Thank you.
Thank you, G. Bharat Surya, sir. It's our privilege to invite Dr. P. Selvaraju, sir.
Very good morning to one and all present here. I am very great pleasure to be here with you all in front of you in the inaugural section of International Conference on Emerging Technology and Thermo Nano AI and Sustainable Energy Devices. The theme of Icetnai 2025 collectively highlight the interdisciplinary advancement shaping future energy and intelligent technology system through advanced nanotechnology, energy conversion, and sustainable application and computational AI, quantum, and computer engineering and technology. The conference emphasizes cutting-edge research in the thin films and condensed matter studies and support next-generation material and extreme manufacturing approaches. It also focuses on innovative energy conversion and storage system, solar energy harvesting, thermodynamics, optimization, and application of nanotechnology in water treatment, waste management, and environmental sustainability. Completing this area and conference integrate computational model machine learning and high performance computing, quantum technologies, and strong mathematical foundations such as numerical analysis and optimization technology, differential modeling, and statistical methods. This is more involved in machine learning and deep learning for precious driven energy and material innovation along with advanced computer engineering solutions for intelligent device design, embedded energy systems, and smart automation. Together, these themes foster global collaboration and drive information innovation for sustainable AI drives and technological advancement in future. In the current global research landscape, rapid advancement in clean energy material, intelligent system, and quantum enabled computational are transforming scientific priorities. Research are increasing focused on climate resilient technologies and high efficiency coverage devices, storage devices, data driven material discovery, and carbon neutral manufacturing, and the integration of AI with nanoscale engineering supported by sophisticated mathematical modeling in accelerating breakthrough in renewable energy. Environmental remediation, smart sensor and automation energy network. These emerging trends highlights the urgent needs of multidisciplinary collaboration in addressing press challenges such as energy security, environmental degradation, and transition towards sustainable technology driven infrastructure. Science plays a pivotal and multi-dimensional role in driving the technological, environmental, and societal advancement envisioned in Icetnai to 2025. As its core science provides the fundamental principle that enables the discovery, design, and optimization, advanced nanomaterial, and in next generation energy, electronic, and environmental systems. Through physics, chemistry, and material science, researchers are able to investigate atomic scale interaction, engineer novel thin films, understand surface phenomena, and tailor material properties for enhanced energy conversion, sensing, and catalyzing applications. Science is also supposed the development of sustainable technologies by enable innovation in solar energy harvesting, thermodynamic optimization, waste polarization, and water purification, ensuring cleaner and more efficient resource utilization. In addition, physical science, mathematical sciences play a critical role by offering tools for modeling, simulation, optimization, and predictive analysis, differential equations, numerical method, probability model, and advanced optimal algorithm help researchers simulate complex material behaviors, design efficient energy system, and improve precision computational process. The mathematical framework further strengthen machine learning, quantum algorithm, and high performance computing, enabling scientists to solve large scale multidisciplinary problems with accuracy and speed. Computational science and computer engineering expand this foundation by translating scientific principles into practical innovation through AI-driven modeling, digital twins, embedded system, and smart automation. Science enables the creation of intelligent device capable of real-time decision making, energy management, and adaptive control. Scientific research in quantum physical electronics, fuels, and develop quantum sensor, quantum processor, and ultra secure communication technologies that will shape future technology ecosystem. Yes, science acts as an engine that power interdisciplinary collaborations, linking nanotechnology, sustainability, computation, and engineering into a unified framework. It accelerates innovation, enables evidence-based decision making, and provides fundamental knowledge equipped to address global changes. The scientific advancement showcased in our international conference today onwards ultimately pave the way for sustainable, intelligent, and technologically empowered future for those who are inspiring the research, those who are participating today's the memorable and wonderful function in the morning. Today, just I want to share my research, throughout my research, how I started, how I ended with this different idea. When we started research, there is no internet, only one place in Chennai, that to email communication. There is no data in the internet. That time we started in the communication device because the communication become very slow due to lack of mathematical tool, lack of memory, manipulation, technology like this. Those days no AI, nano like this. That time I took communication device. I introduced, by going through all communication algorithm, I introduced two-step communication algorithm. You may be learned from graph theory, many shortest path, breadth first search algorithm, depth first search algorithm. From that I created two steps algorithm that is called SS algorithm that had important attraction towards among all computer research people. They give an appreciation letter. They ready to give fund, but that time onwards going on, the process going on. Those who are initiated, all they died. That's why I am not able to receive. That too, they asked me to come to US, but I don't want to go to outside India. So likewise, I started. For that algorithm, I wrote more than 1,000 page that reduced into 39 page. Again, our guide told, again I reduced it into 27. So taking one concept is not easy. I want to share your Telugu braver idea బాగా ఉంటుంది అంటే బండి పడిపోయింది. That had more attraction towards me. So while doing research, many people, they will not think beyond the boundary, what is there. Just straight away they used to have idea. If you apply idea, that will become waste. That's what your Telugu proverb says. That I want to share. In Tamil, ulluvadellam uyar ullal. Ulluvadu means whatever you do, the same meaning. You see and see beyond that how much distance possible to go. So we gone through all communication algorithm. We may developed with a little bit 2 or 3 times more than, but we thought of entire problem and developed a 2 steps algorithm. That's why our communication become very fast with no time. If you call US, immediately you can get. If you search any data, immediately you will get, due to that algorithm used in manipulation of memories. And one more things I want to share. I used to share while teaching first time in the class triplet method. In Tamil also we used to say vetri. Vetri have 3 letters. If you remove middle letter, you very means more eagerness, that indicate 24 hours. I also did same thing. That's why I am able to achieve so many pattern. Within 1 month, I am going to give free energy with gravity. That happened true. I have that device with me. I explained triple M, 1M mathematics, another M medicine, another M music. Mathematics, there must be without calculation, without formula, without solution. As a single value, there is no achievement, no reading fruitful. Medicine means everything you have to take inhale as a medicine, not more. Little amount, even if not sufficient, then next time you can take little amount. So like that, you have to approach as a medicine. If more medicine, it will make side effect, different effect. Another one, mathematics, music, medicine. Music, whatever the title, if you choose, you love anything. Okay, first love towards your aim and your choice. So nowadays, all the field involves as a one roof. Mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, communication engineering, even economic, literacy, everything include in my research. Tapping gravitational force for our daily needs, electricity. We are using many devices that I converted as latest device that we will see in future. So with this, I am thanking the management, KL University and IRD department, and convener Professor S. Sanmugan, and co-conveners and his team for giving this valuable time to interact with you all. And I am wishing your today you take first step. The first step may be memorable and best one, golden step in your life. So like that, when I started, I told to my guide, he asked me to do some published paper. See, I am not at all interested. I told him I want to contribute society. He told, if you do like that, you will never complete PhD. He told, but even I took challenge, I achieved more. Anyway, world level is going to lead with the next month. Next new year may be fruitful year. Wishing once again each and every young aspirants and researchers and university. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insights and addressing. We now truly grateful for your presence. Now I would like to invite Dr. Shanmugam, sir, to felicitate Dr. P. Selvaraju, sir.
Germany, visiting professor at VET University, Vellore, Tamil Nadu.
Very good morning to all. Very good morning. Off the dais, on the dais. Yeah, I think the time is running out. Already people caution it. Yeah, so I want to give us some very natural thing current the world moving on it. Especially the title of the today conference, very interesting, Thermal Nano AI. So already Professor Silva sir already talked about much things. I'll give you some glimpse on it to understand that a lot of students here to get idea. Yeah, first of all, the thermal is everyone know because of without thermal we cannot do anything. The energy is very important for us. Second thing is nano. So nano materials very famous in maybe 10 decades, maybe 2 decades before is very famous. Now also is moving on to the nanotechnology also. And next thing is for AI, put together AI is last 2010 because I'm from computer science background. So AI is a key pillar now, AI for all. So everything AI. So you can talk about anything in civil or mechanical, AI is full-fledged. Okay. So now the point is come today. Today's point is there are two aspects in India, especially one for smart manufacturing. That means the semiconductor devices. One thing. Second thing is quantum technology. So everyone understand that everyone want quantum technology. Okay. Even this UNESCO announced this quantum year. Okay. This quantum technology is very famous. Okay. So the main thing is this talk, especially for this international conference, very interesting because of the material science. Because of if you check with anyone, because nowadays everyone smartphone everyone have, you can type everything in the chat GPT, everything. They give a very quick answer. Okay. So especially the quantum technology, material science is the first applications. Okay. Maybe German. Actually, I'm from Hagen, did PhD. So that German currently that Karlsruhe, that NQM AI, that's people they crack for quantum materials. Okay, they're not giving any experimental results, but theoretically they're done first. Okay, because quantum technology is very vast. Anyway, I give a talk today. I talk about much the talk more clear. So the materials very interesting. That's why the key theme of this that today conference very interesting for material science, especially the quantum world. The India putting on like 6,000 crores funds. Okay, based on that quantum can develop, especially 4 pillars like a quantum computing, quantum sensing, quantum metallurgy, quantum computing. So that kind of things. Okay, so.
Inspiring and insightful address. We are truly grateful for your gracious presence. Now I'd like to invite Dr. B. N. Rao sir to felicitate Professor Radhakrishnan sir. It is our privilege to invite Dr. D. Shankar Babu sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, the New College of Chennai.
Good morning to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to be here with you all. Today we are here to explore a crucial area on sustainable future energy devices. Looking around in this room, I see the minds that is going to shape future of industrial research. First of all, I thank the management of KL University for inviting me as a special invitee, and my special thanks to head of the department, IRD, and his team, and convener, organizing secretary, Dr. Shanmu sir, for recognizing this specific problem and providing a platform where the ideas cultivate into the action. This requires a shared vision and team spirit. This is possible and it's evident here. I think all our research scholars, I hope that we will see in the session talks and other occasions. Actually, publishing research papers, articles, is a fashion one. Here, many experts are sitting. They are experts in all on their own fields. Particularly, the research publications and abstracts were flown from different parts of an area of different area and from different countries from abroad. The team has meticulously scrutinized, Shanmu sir and his team has meticulously scrutinized and accepted the research works from research fraternity from worldwide. My special and heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Shanmu sir and his entire team, sir. Our goal for this conference is not just to exchange information, but to spark the collaboration that will lead to desired outcome and sustainable innovation. All the professors, scientists, researchers explained, and also the motto of this international conference, you can see that on the screen, Thermo Nano AI, which reflects, which shows the basics of science and then engineering technology. That is different. First of all, science. We must understand the basics of concepts, particularly on nano, Thermo Nano AI. Now, the past few decades, several years, we are using only Google, right? If we want anything, take mobile phone and search any topic in Google. What happens today? Google is gone. Google is exponentially decaying. AI is already there, but it's a modified version. What we are using nowadays, instead of Google, computer science students, ChatGPT. In another two to 3 decades, what will come? We don't know. Anything will possible, but for all technologies, inventions, discoveries, basics of science is important. Particularly in this nanotechnology. What is nanotechnology actually? Nanotechnology is one of the emerging fields. That's where Dr. Shanmu sir is arranging this conference. Nanotechnology is based on the nanodots. Where nanodots comes from? Perturbation theory. I don't know how many are experts in quantum mechanics, quantum advanced field theory, perturbation theory, non-perturbation theory. That and perturbation theory is based on basics of quantum. So quantum physics is the fundamental one. So we must learn the basics of quantum physics, quantum technology in future, right? With this, I congratulate everyone and thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your speech. Now we'd like to invite Dr. B.N. Rao, sir, to felicitate Dr. D. Shankar, sir.
Release of conference souvenir. We now move on to a special moment of the conference, the release of conference souvenir. We respectfully invite all our higher authorities, esteemed dignitaries to kindly come forward for the release of conference souvenir.
We now invite all.
Now would like to invite professors, all KLU faculty to receive the souvenir to the dais.
We'd like all the senior faculty to please come on to the dais.
Yes. Bio release, logo release.
Introduce our club here. Our club was named as Data Science AI Club, and let me reveal firstly our logo. The Department of IRT has launched this club, and we are aiming at elevating the students, literally the data science skills here. Relative of high demand over the market which we see across in the present world, and the exciting field offering, we are having a wide scope of opportunities, particularly in this present sector, right? So coming to these opportunities, and the main purpose of this club is that we foster the skill development to the students along with their growth in their professionality and professionally. And we will also provide them the career guidance regarding their placements or any field of studies like ML or data science, etc. In addition to this, the students who are enthusiastic to the networking as well as the growth of the student communities, herewith they can also have their particular interest in fields of AI, data analytics, machine learning, as well as big data. And I'd also share that the proposed activities which we come under our club of student community are, we could conduct many hackathons and contests as well, along with the workshops on recent technologies which have been seen, as well as the developments in the data science sector. And we could also organize the expert sessions on AI and data science. Along with, we are working on a collaborative project from industry level as well as on the reputed institutions from this India as well. Every semester, we would like to conduct training sessions along with the industry experts as well as our academic faculty members to make the students skilled in the field of data science and AI, as per the industry demands, etc. Thank you.
Comes to a close. It is now time for vote of thanks. We take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who contributed to the successful conduct of the inaugural session of Icetnai 2025. It is our privilege to invite Dr. G.V. Ramana Reddy sir, co-convener Icetnai 2025, to propose the vote of thanks.
So a very good morning to everyone. I am Dr. G.V. Ramana Reddy, Department of Mathematics, and also IRD Department as a professor. I am honored to be associate with International Conference 2025 and serve to the co-convener of this conference. It's my privilege to be a part of this esteemed gathering of academicians, researchers, and professionals. I look forward to meaningful deliberations and faithful interactions during the conference. Respected chief guests, distinguished keynote speakers, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Deans, Directors, Principals, esteemed faculty members, delegates, research students, and my dear colleagues. On behalf of the organizing committee, International Conference 2025 and the Department of IRD, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I express my deep sense of gratitude to our chief guest, Professor Radhakrishnan Garu, Delhi, Germany, a visiting professor, VIT Vellore, Tamil Nadu, gracious accepting our invitations and for the inspiring and thought-provoking address. I express my deep sense gratitude to our national keynote speaker, Dr. P. Selvaraj, sir, Annamalai University, Chennai. I sincere thanks our Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Chancellors and Pro-Vice Chancellors, Registrars and all higher authorities of KLEF for their constant encouragement, visionary leadership and valuable presence which great strength this event. My heartfelt thanks go to Dr. V. Viswanath Senai Garu, HOD IRD Department, Dr. Senmugan, convener of this event, Dr. K. Venkatratnam Garu, co-convener, and Dr. Neelu Singh Madam, alternate HOD, and all committee members for their guidance, coordinations, and dedicated efforts in making this inaugural session a grand success. I gratefully acknowledge the support of DST PUS, and I extend my sincere appreciations to all invited speakers, session aides, reviewers, authors, and participants for their valuable contribution to International Conference 2025. I also thank the organizing team, volunteers, technical staff, and administration personnel, and electronic print and media for their tireless efforts, blind skins. Finally, I thank all the delegates and participants for joining us today and contributing to the success of this conference. With this, I once again thank you everyone present and wish you all the faithful and enriching conference. Thank you one and all.